So this is my BMW X1 F48 chassis. The daytime running light, you can see this one is a little bit yellow, so I've got to replace the driver for that. This one still looks fine. So the LED for that one there is this one. So the part number is a little bit hard to read, but I'll put into the description. So we'll take this out and put a new one in now. So to remove these, you need a T20. There's one screw, 2 and 3 in there. So I'll take that out now. So we'll take this out. And there's the LED there. So that's 1, 2 LED that just shines into this plastic tube here, which gives us the halo or the circle lights. So I'll just unplug this and put a new one in. So this is the original one, which is the Vallejo brand. I just got this from AliExpress. When you buy this, you have to actually choose left and right. They're not the same. So this is specifically the one for this side. So I'll install this now and see how that looks. Okay, so with the new driver or new LED in there, it looks a lot better now.